it's Misty here. I'm a design team member for Stamp Anything, and welcome to the last day of the February previews. What do you think of this release? Is this not so much fun? The die is probably one of my favorites, and I know I'll get a ton of use out of. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Diego. I'm going to share with you the design team samples, and then I will share with you the release all in this one video. So yeah, if you haven't already, we hope you'll consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the Facebook group, and also all of these products will be linked in the description box down below. All right, friends, let's head over to the craft table for day 3's release. All right, friends, it's day 3, and today we have Diego Keep On Rockin'. So he has Keep On Rockin', and you haven't missed a beat. He's wearing his flannel, and he has a pair of drumsticks, and he has his horns up for the metalheads of us all. And then of course he has his outline dies. So that is it for day 3, but let me walk you through the entire release again, and then I'll walk you through Stamp Club one more time. So for this month we have the stencil, the Cracked Heart stencil, the You Rock Word die, and the Concert Stage Builder die. We have Writer, You're a Legend. We have Jet, You Make My Heart Sing, and then Diego, Diego Keep On Rockin'. If you sign up for Stamp Club, there are 3 different levels. The first level will get you the 3 stamps along with other accoutrements like a site-wide discount and free stamps. Next, the next level will get you the chibis along with their outline dies, and again you get a site-wide discount and free digital class images. And then last but not least, it will get you everything. It also gets you a bigger store discount. You get the same discount on bundles. You get a free digital free images for. You also get free class images, but you also get a free image on your birthday. So I will have links to that in the description box down below. The You Gotta Have It All Deluxe is the best value because you get over $70 worth of products for $50 US. It is open to US, Canada, and internationally, so be sure to check out all that information down below. As I've mentioned before, the love event is continuing on, and then I will be back next Friday for another video in my Fanny Friday series, and we'll start using these fun little images. So we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.